Hey guys, welcome back to OmniTech. Today, I want to talk about a phone that I think is seriously underrated. The Motorola Moto G Stylus 2020. Now I know what you're thinking. Motorola, really? But hear me out. This phone has some seriously impressive features, especially for this price point. First of all, let's talk about the stylus. It's not something you see on many phones these days, and it's really handy to have. And I'm not gonna go in more detail about that you can use it for notes, drawing, or just to navigate the phone with precision. Now, the stylus isn't the only thing in this phone that is going on for it. It also has a large 6.4-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 2300 by 1080 pixels. The colors are slightly cool, but it's a very cool display for the price. You can't beat it. And let's talk about performance. The Moto G Stylus 2020 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor and has a 4 GB of RAM. That means it can handle pretty much anything you throw at it, from browsing the web, playing games, video recording, photos, and all that stuff that you can ask from a phone. The camera is also worth mentioning. The Moto G Stylus 2020 has a triple camera setup on the back with a 48 megapixel main camera, 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 2 megapixel micro camera. That means that you can take some seriously impressive photos and videos with this phone. But despite all these great features, the Moto G Stylus 2020 often gets overlooked. Maybe it's because Motorola isn't as flashy as some other brands, or maybe people just don't know about it. But in my opinion, this phone is seriously underrated. So if you're in the market for a new phone and you want something that won't break the bank but still has some great features, definitely consider the Motorola G Stylus 2020. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. And no, I'm not getting paid, and Motorola doesn't even know that I exist, or that my channel exists for that matter. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a closer look at some of the features that make this phone stand out before we go into some serious video recording and pictures that I took with it. Not to forget about the microphones. While you record with it, you will hear me and the nature around me. Just stay tuned for that. But before that, let's go on to those features. First off is the battery life. The Moto G Stylus 2020 has a large 4000 milliamp battery that can easily last all day on a single charge. That means you won't have to worry about running out of juice when you're out and about. And if you do need to top up your battery, the Moto G Stylus 2020 supports fast charging for the time, at least, that you can get back up and running in no time. Yes, it's called turbocharge, that you can get a battery running in probably an hour and a half. You'll be just fine. Another great feature is the fingerprint sensor on the back of the phone, which I really miss from those times. It's fast and very reliable, so you can easily unlock your phone without having to cover your screen or type a password or having to worry about the security of your face and all that. I just overall really like that positioning, and I miss it. And let's not forget about the storage. The Moto G Stylus 2020 comes with 128 gigabytes of internal storage, which is plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Not to forget that if you need more space, you can expand the storage with a micro SD card. Those are not that expensive. So, you can't go wrong with this. And all in all, the Motorola G Stylus 2020 is an impressive phone with some great features that often mostly get overlooked or forgotten. But if you're looking for an affordable phone that can do it all, this one is definitely worth considering. Not to forget, this phone can actually shoot up to 4K videos. And I'm not talking about just some cheesy 4K, but some great 4K footage. And yes, you can go up to 240 frames per second in slow mode. And yes, it has optical image stabilizing on this phone, believe it or not. And a lot of times you can find them online for $100-something. Yes, one drawback of this phone is that it does not have 5G. It only goes up to 4G LTE, but it starts from 2G. So if you have an urge to test one of the old SIM cards or something that you just want to go around and have a connection, yes, you can go from 2G, 3G, 4G, and 4G LTE. Believe me, I don't say it very easily and every day that there's a phone that's underrated. This guy, for the price, is really a powerhouse. You can find them, sometimes they're $200, sometimes $150. They are great phones. If you're looking to start your, I don't know, podcast or video production or YouTube channel or Twitch or whatnot, use this phone as a camera. It is beautifully amazing and it's actually very well built. It feels like a premium phone. And I know a lot of you probably have forgotten that Motorola still makes phones. They have a newer version of this one, I think. It's called Moto G Stylus 5G, but in my opinion, the 5G, the Moto G Stylus of 2020 just makes more sense to buy as a media device. And with that said, let me just show you some of the footage I took, some of the pictures I took with it, and I hope you enjoy it. And this is audio and video filmed by me behind the Motorola as a camera. Yes, this is not the best place to probably film, but that's where I happen to be right now, so I will film it. And yes, these are trees, in case you've never seen one. And this is my voice coming straight from my mouth to the microphone here. And by microphone, I mean the internal microphone of this phone. And we will see how that sounds on post-production. Plus, there's a lot of ambient noises and crickets, dogs, chicken, whatever is there. They're all manifesting themselves in one way or another on this phone, and hope you had fun. This Motorola has still some life to kick. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time. Bye!